Hey, what's up everyone, Ollie here. So, new mechanical keyboard. This is the iQunix, I think that's how you say the name. This is called the S87, 87 Slim, S87, you get the idea. Comes really nicely packaged actually. I'd almost like say this is Apple-like packaging, which is pretty cool, but let's get into it. I've already cut it open. Let's slide this off. It does feel like quite a heavy box. Let's open it up. There we are. Oh, it looks like it might be, is it upside down, right way up? I'm not actually sure. Okay, so this comes off. I think I might have had it upside down, I'm not sure. Well, this is upside down anyway. So we have just combination keys. What's this exactly? Oh, this is for replacing the keycaps. Guide to replacing bigger keycaps. Okay, cool. It is very, very nicely packaged. I'll give them that. Very nicely packaged. Wow, it has some weight to it. It's definitely a heavy boy. We'll take the keyboard out for now. We'll have a look at what's inside. So, inside we have a braided USB to USB-C charging cable. I can only assume. Braided one. Really nice quality cable actually. Additional keycaps, we have the Apple keyboard keycaps. We have play pause and then forward backwards keycaps as well. We also have a tool of course to remove the keycaps if we need to. Let's open this up. I don't actually know what this is. What could this be exactly? Oh, that's pretty cool. I wasn't expecting that. Just to clean your keycaps. Very nice and soft. That's a nice little accessory. I like that. We'll put everything back in here for now. And let's get to the actual keyboard itself. So, this really is such a heavy keyboard. Oh, wow. Okay. So, yeah, this is a heavy boy. This is a very big keyboard. Okay, so as you can see, this is a 10 keyless layout. Ooh, those sounds pretty good. Sounds good. I mean, it's going to sound annoying for anyone else. If there's anyone else in the room and you're typing with this keyboard, it's going to sound annoying. The build quality is pretty incredible. So the outer shell, this bit here, is definitely metal. On the bottom, we have plastic. It's not metal, but we do have angle adjustments. So we have two angle adjustments. That's the most harshest angle. And that's a smaller angle. It's already angled somewhat anyway towards you. So yeah, I mean, it's a really nice keyboard. It's just such a heavy thing. I wasn't expecting it to be so heavy, I'll be honest. I know I was expecting a premium keyboard, but I just wasn't expecting it to be so heavy. The build quality is incredible though. Apart from the plastic on the bottom, which you're not going to feel, to be honest. The actual build quality itself, the outer shell, the design, the sort of attention to detail. Now, when it comes to mechanical keyboards, I'm definitely not an expert and not anywhere near close. I'm a beginner, just like a lot of people. I'm sort of learning as I go when it comes to mechanical keyboards. I like the color of these, the color of the keycaps as well. I think I would actually prefer maybe a dark gray instead of white. A dark gray with the black I think would look awesome. But the white and the black definitely gives you that sort of stormtrooper look, you could say. Really nice minimalist look to it. But it is a loud boy, one loud boy. So I'm going to take the keycaps off so we can see what we have underneath. We'll take off the K, shall we? And as you can see, we have Cherry MX Blue switches. These are hot swappable, apparently, according to iQunix website. I mean, I'm not going to take them out right now because it's just hassle, but the switches are hot swappable if you want to change them in the future. But with the Cherry MX Blue switches, there is a noticeable sort of click as you go down. So if we demonstrate, you can hear it right there. So I can push. It gives you noticeable feedback so that you know you've actually hit the switch. So yeah, it's pretty nice. The keycaps are nice as well. Like I said, they give you that sort of very Stormtrooper look, Stormtrooper vibe. I'm going to test out for a couple of days and see what it's like to use.
Several days later.
Right, so I've been using it for a couple of days now and I have some thoughts. I'm naturally going to compare it to the Keychron mechanical keyboards as that's what I've used in the past. As expected, the typing experience is really good. The keycaps feel high quality and the blue switches have great feedback. As mentioned previously, the build quality is great, especially with the metal chassis. I have the Keychron K1, which is the same TKL layout as the S87. The K1 is $74 and the S87 is $169, so it is more than double the price. It makes sense though, due to the difference in build quality. The K1 is pretty much all plastic. Now that does mean that it's built poorly, but the choice of materials and the quality of the keycaps will affect the price a lot. I do feel though that the K1 has some advantages. First of all, it's much more affordable at $74 compared to the S87 at $169. It can be used wirelessly and you can switch between 3 devices, so you can have it connected to your Mac, to your PC and your phone, and you can switch between them pretty effortlessly. I also think it's more suitable for Mac users as it has a toggle on the back to switch between Mac and Windows, and because of this the F keys are much better matched with Mac, such as the media controls, volume adjustments and other Mac shortcuts. If I was solely a Windows user, I would pick the S87. I just feel like the build quality, the keycaps, everything about it, just much higher quality than the Keychron. But if you're a Mac user, I would still recommend the Keychron keyboards. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what keyboard you're using. I'm always on the lookout for other mechanical keyboards. I'm also tempted to build my own custom mechanical keyboard just so I can have it the way I like. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter and subscribe for more.